So this is Justin P for the Sprint 6 now. All of these files are kind of going to be in whatever order they pop up in, just because there were so many of them. Everything works, so I'll show that at the end, but I'll just go through this kind of quickly in no particular order. So first I'll show the collision test self command. This one is notable because you said we didn't want these checking itself twice. So right here, this first part of the second inner for loop, make sure that that doesn't happen. But yeah, so this is this. The test pair command is similar, but it has to run through both of the collections. This is the command base for collision test. This is the collision manager. It has obviously the process collision tests, which just runs through the list and runs execute on all of them. We have set collision pair, set collision self. I also created a cleanup function. I will clean up the cleanup function later. This is way too much, but it does work and just clears out the list. But yeah, I'll come back and make that like 3 lines later. Next is the collidable group with a terminate, register, deregister, and a get collider collection. Obviously it's also set up as the singleton. Collidable has the collision registration, the collision deregistration, and then also checks the registration commands if they've been null or not. So we're only creating one of these instead of new collision registration commands every time we call this function. In the, let's see, what's this? Collision registration command. Fairly simple and straightforward, just the override for execute here. Same thing here for the deregistration command. This is just to show in Frigate that it's calling this for registration. And then in the scene here, got both the set collision for Frigate and set collision set collision self and the set collision pair. I created a second Frigate in the scene, so we can see that the set collision self is working. So I'll go and show that right now. Oops. So we have this guy down here. Oh, that's nice. I'm getting more of those errors, but here we can see the collision cottage with Frigate, collision Frigate with cottage, and then also it's calling the collision Frigate with Frigate both times for both of the frigates in the scene, because there's two frigates right here in the scene. So yep, that's everything. Thank you.